Hello, if you're looking for customized pen for yourself, your loved one, or just as a gift, then you definitely want to hear about this one. The full disclosure. The seller provided me with this pen so I can test it out, show you how it works, and share my overall thoughts with you. Today, I'm super excited to show you this stunning customized ballpoint pen, luxurious, elegant, and made in the USA. First of all, can we talk about how beautifully packaged this is? It comes in the sleek black box, making it instantly gift worthy. Inside, you can get the customized pen itself and two extra ink refills, one in black and one in blue. So you're all set for a long time. Now, let's take a closer look at the pen. I customized mine with my name, olenaojc, in Lucida Calligraphy font. Just look at the gorgeous engraving. This is all hand done, making each pen one of a kind. The pen itself is made of high quality stainless steel with a black and gold finish, so elegant and timeless. It has a smooth twist mechanism and the ink flows beautifully and dries quickly. And when you need a refill, it's super easy to replace. This is such a thoughtful and practical gift idea, and it also could be suitable for graduations, workplace, and corporate gifts, retirement celebrations, maybe for Christmas and holidays, or something like birthdays, anniversaries, weddings. And of course, you can always treat yourself to one of these. Because why not? A custom pen like this is also perfect for business. Add your name, logo, or motto and elevate your branding. Overall, I am so impressed. From the premium quality to the handcrafted engraving to the beautiful packaging, this pen is absolutely a win. Whether you're gifting it or keeping it for yourself, it's stylish, durable, and for any occasion. I love it and I highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching.